Hi, we're doing the video tour of the AgriEnergy portion of the field day in case of a rain out here. We're at the Browerson farm. This was planted over 3 different dates, April 18th, 21st, 24th. The area we're in right here was planted April 24th. It was still moist, moist to wet, and then we went wet afterwards and cold. So very, very slow getting the corn out of the ground. Some of the corn was over 3 weeks to emergence. So we had that issue and that stress right from the start. The fertilizer, the nitrogen went on 70 pounds, 78 pounds at planting, another 70 pounds or so at side dress time. We were trialing, the main thing we were trialing was these in-furrow treatments. Ken, what's kind of describe what they are?
Okay, the Even Up is a micronutrient and plant growth regulator combination designed to stimulate plant growth and allow the plant to express its genetic potential. The SP1 is our broad spectrum biological product that supplies a diversity of microorganisms. And what we're seeing is these products used together have great benefit. And that's what we'll be looking at. It will be 1.5 quarts of Even Up in furrow along with 3 gallons of SP1 in furrow versus the check that didn't have anything in furrow. Both the check and the treatment would have had the same 2x2 at planting and the same side dress application.
We're excited about the combination, as Ken said, crossed from Iowa on over to the East Coast where we've tried this year, where we've trialed it. We've had just incredible results with it. In this field, at pictures that we have in the V3, V4 time frame, we didn't see a lot of difference at that time, but by V6 we did see an evening up effect, showing that there were fewer small plants, and that followed through with better ears. There's fewer small ears, fewer medium ears here even, and we'll be able to see that. If we want to come into the cutout here, on our check side, we can see that there is some uneven ear placement. There are runt or scrunt stalks, scrunt ears, small guys. But the up and down placement, there's less greenness to the corn compared to the treated. It appears that there's an obvious difference. Versus our treated side, where we're much more even, the plants are a little taller, a little higher ear placement, but we're greener and nicer ears. It appears that we have a nice difference.
Okay, this is just a little bit deeper in the plot where we started out, where we've got the check on the left, Even Up and SP1 on this side. These are 3 consecutive plants with decent spacing, and they were right across from each other. And one thing that we noticed here with the Even Up and SP1, just how consistent the ear height or placement is, and also, good uniformity on the ears. What do you got, Dean?
Versus what we've been seeing. We've got ear placement up and down. We've got more medium ears. We don't have, occasionally we've got a large ear, but we've got a lot what I'd probably call mediums, and then the scrunks, the really poor. This stalk is a little close to its neighbor, but again, on the Even Up SP1, what we've seen all summer is, I think if this would have had the Even Up and SP1 in furrow, this plant would be bigger, it'd be healthier, and we'd probably have twice the ear on it. We're getting rid of these little guys where we're getting this product put in furrow.
Like Dean mentioned, at that V5 or V6 stage, and not only here but many other plot trials as well, we've consistently seen a larger root mass that had the Even Up and SP1 on together in furrow. Those roots had more soil clinging to them, indicating more active biology in that root zone. On average, we saw a larger stalk diameter, and we also saw greener foliage, particularly on the lower part of the canopy in both corn and soybeans. As we carry that on forward, as Dean mentioned back there, but it's more obvious here, the up and down placement on the ears. There are various height of ear placement here, and several smaller ears. And with the Even Up and SP1, it literally did even up the crop. As you can see as we take a look over on the treated side with the Even Up and SP1, the ear height is much more uniform, and the consistency from ear to ear seems to be better too. So it appears that it literally did even up the crop. And that's what we've been observing in almost every place we look compared to the check.